Hey guys, my name is Kylie. I just wanted to hop on quickly and give my honest review on my Ninja blender. So I've had this for a little over a year now and it has performed really well. I'm super happy with everything it's done and how it's performed. So it is heavy duty and it does have lots of different pieces. So I was a little hesitant to get it because I do have a smaller kitchen, but I'm really glad I did because it can replace like 4 other things that I have in my kitchen, which is really nice. So I do love these little suction cups right here on the bottom. You can stick it to your counter and then it does release right here with this. That's something I haven't seen on a lot of blenders and I appreciate that feature. Over here we do have these measuring, as you can see, on either side, and then it does twist off. So it has a twist function, so it cannot come off like this. You gotta twist it. Right here has the release button for the handle. All the pieces do come out and are dishwasher safe, which is a game changer. The less dishes, the better, right? And then it pops right back on just like that. So super easy to use. This food processor attachment is nice. I use it for all my cooking, for like putting together my purees and stews and stuff like that, which I really like this piece. Again, with the release handle, goes in just the same. Also love that it comes with like a single serve option. So this piece goes right on, clicks into place, and then you hit the single serve button. It does have a pulse option. Also, I will show you, this part is really cool. So this is like a soft plastic and this is like a dough hook. So if you are making bread, anything like that that needs to be kneaded, this dough hook will do it for you, which is really awesome. Overall, I'm really happy with this purchase. I would definitely recommend it and I hope you love it as much as I do.